In this video, I'll show you how to connect Pickyassist with Zapier step by step so you can start building automations in just a few minutes. This is a great setup if you want to connect your lead capture, messaging, email, or workflow tools without doing everything manually. If you find this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Now let's get started. First, open Zapier in your browser. Once you're on the Zapier dashboard, look for the Create button and click it. This is where you begin building a new automation. After that, select Zap Workflows. Zapier will now take you into the workflow builder where you can connect one app as the trigger and another app as the action. Next, click on Trigger. The trigger is the event that starts your automation. In the app search bar, type Pickyassist and select it from the list. Once Pickyassist is selected, choose an event. You can pick any event that fits your use case depending on what you want Zapier to listen for. After selecting the event, log into your Pickyassist account when prompted. That completes the trigger connection. Now it's time to set up the action. Click on the action to add the second part of your Zap. In the app search bar, search for and select an app for your action, such as Gmail. You can choose any app that works best for your workflow. Then click on Choose an event and select the action you want Zapier to perform. For example, you might send an email, create a record, or update a contact. After selecting the action event, log into your account when prompted. Once both your trigger and action are connected, Zapier will show you the workflow you've built. Review everything carefully to make sure the correct apps and events are selected. If everything looks good, click on Build It in the top section. This will move your Zap forward so you can confirm the setup and prepare it for testing. After that, click Test Run. This is an important step because it lets you make sure the automation works correctly before you publish it. Zapier will test the connection between Pickyassist and your chosen action app. If the test is successful, you'll know your workflow is ready to go. Finally, click Publish. Once you publish the Zap, your Pickyassist and the Zapier integration will be active and your automation will start running based on the trigger you selected. That's it. You've successfully connected Pickyassist with Zapier. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.